Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a gas line for a grill with Home Depot, complete guide step by step clearly. Before starting any gas line installation, ensure you have all necessary permits and are compliant with local regulations. Begin by gathering all the required materials and tools, including a gas line kit, pipe wrenches, Teflon tape, and a gas leak detection solution. Make sure to turn off the main gas supply to your home. Identify the location where your grill will be placed and mark the route for the gas line. Use a pipe cutter to cut the gas line to the desired length. Connect the gas line to your home's existing gas system. Apply Teflon tape to the threaded ends of the gas line to prevent leaks. Securely attach the gas line using pipe wrenches to ensure a tight fit. Install a shutoff valve close to the grill for easy access. Run the gas line to the grill location, being careful to follow the marked route. Once in position, connect the gas line to the grill's gas inlet. Double-check all connections to ensure they are secure. After everything is connected, turn the main gas supply back on. Use a gas leak detection solution to check for any possible leaks around your connections. If you detect any leaks, tighten the connections as needed. Once you confirm there are no leaks, turn on the grill's burners and test for proper ignition. You're now ready to enjoy your new gas grill setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.